Hey guys, happy Friday. I thought I would take a second and show you a builder that got sent to me. 69 Charger. It's not perfect, but for somebody giving it to me, I'll take it. Missing the bumpers. Maybe I can find a pair. Got a hell of a nice shiny purple paint job on it though. Very shiny. It needs a set of bumpers. Nothing terribly fancy, but it's alright. I'll add it to my collection. Oh, there's that. Little update on the Bantam Blast. Got the decals on. Just letting them dry. Got the headers on. I just got to mount the wing, the radiator hose, and then put a coat of future floor polish on it, and this will be done. Maybe touch up the wheelie bars just a little bit. But yeah, it's coming out pretty nice for an MPC kit. But you guys all have a good one. Catch you later.